Sri Manache Shlok, Shloka number 66, English translation and explanation. Sri Manache Shlok were written by Samartha Ramdas Swami. They are a dialogue with our mind. नभे सार संसार हा घोर आहे मना सज्जना सत्य शोधूनि पाहे जनी विष खाता पुढे सुख कैसे करी रे मना ध्यान या राघवाचे. Mundane existence in this world is horrific. It is not the essence. O my mind, seek out the truth and see for yourself. In this world, engaging in activities that are equivalent to eating poison, how will you achieve happiness and enlightenment in the future? O my mind, let us meditate upon Raghava. Some keywords used in this shloka are Sara means essence, Ghor means terrible, Shodhuni means to search, Satya means truth, Vish means poison, Khata means consume, Kaitse means whence, Dhyana means meditation. Samartha Ramdas Swami is summing up the essence from the last few shlokas in this one. When someone gets too much engrossed in the sensual pleasures and their mind is taken over completely by the enemies of the mind, lust and greed, they are feeling like this world is the ultimate reason for their life. They will start thinking that this is one life they have got and need to enjoy it most without worrying or caring about God or a similar superpower. It's my life and I will live it the way I want becomes their mantra. They will think that samsara, this world, is the real essence of life and there is nothing more than that. Think about an elephant who gets born in a zoo and then remains in the zoo where he gets all the food, water, and whatever he needs to live his life in the zoo without having to worry about anything. For him, the zoo is the world. He does not know about the forest or the life outside. He starts getting comfortable and having enjoyment in the zoo. He does not even get to know what his real superpower is and what the real purpose of his life is. He has no idea what freedom is. But the other elephants in the forest know much more than what he knows. They know the challenges they have to face and even get ready to face those challenges. But most importantly, they also know what freedom means. For those elephants in the forest, living in the zoo is not pretty. It is horrible. They will never prefer to be in the suffocating atmosphere of the zoo. The people who think this world is the essence of life are like the elephant in the zoo. They don't know the real nature of this world and they don't know the real meaning of their life. The world we live in is not pretty and is really terrible in many ways. Only when we try to gain knowledge from the saints and the scriptures, then we can start knowing the reality. It is very critical for us to find out the truth and be in the search of truth all the time, living life with the whole goal of going after the sensual pleasures and having nothing else in our minds, no devotion and respect for God, is a pitiful life. Samartha Ramdas Swami mentions that it is equivalent to drinking poison every day, little by little. With that approach, how can we even think of getting real satisfaction, achieving the moksha, the enlightenment? The only way we can achieve moksha, enlightenment, is by having full devotion to God, keeping Him in our minds all the time, and winning over the enemies of the mind. When we can have control over our minds and defeat those enemies, then there is a lot of space for us to do reflection and allow God to reside within us and contemplate, meditate on Him. नभे सार संसार हा घोर आहे मना सज्जना सत्य शोधून पाहे जनी विष खाता पुढे सुख कैचे करी रे मना ध्यान या राघवाचे. Join me in this humble effort of spreading this amazing part of our Maharashtrian literature and culture to the English speaking community in the entire world. Be proud of our culture. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel A Dialogue with Our Mind. जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ.